Oh, that's a video. Hey!
Hey!
Oh,
hey!
Hey! Tower Bridge.
Tower Bridge. Hey guys, that's
Tower London right here. All right, Tower Bridge.
That's the bridge from Spider-Man.
All right, so we took the late night flight to London. We're gonna get here around 22:40.
London, baby, let's get it. I'm ready.
London, baby.
Thank you. Alright, so there's 6 possible airports to fly into. If you're flying from the States, you're most likely gonna fly into Heathrow Airport. So there's 3 major ways to get around the city here. There's the underground, there's the double-decker bus, and the famous black cabs. On a gloomy day like this, probably the best way to get around in general is the underground. If you get in the underground, you're gonna want to get an oyster car. Where are we at? We are at
Tower Bridge.
Yeah, that's Parliament. And then Westminster Abbey's on the back side here. But the best spot to get the phone booth picture is right over here. Westminster Abbey. This is where all the kings and queens are buried. Also famous poets, famous architectures, anyone who influenced England in any way. What do you guys think? Where are we? My wife's house.
One of the most elegant locations that I've been to in all of my lifetime.
We're in London. Check out the George. Give it a spin.
Delicious. Best donut I've ever had.
Peanut butter delicacy.
The OG.
No, it's not.
Yeah, we're getting off.
We're not getting off at night time.
One more. No, we're going. Go.
Terminals 4 and 1, 2, 3.
Thank you. Oh. Wow. All right, let's get up. Our way out. Way to get around, but as you can tell, it's pretty packed. Double-decker buses, and you can use an oyster card with double-decker buses. But the black cabs are probably the most expensive. and not worth it. Just get an Oyster card, you can find your way around. It's not raining, right?
So what I'm about to show you guys is the greatest monument here in London. The Life of Evan P. Stands at about 6'1", 240 of pure amazement.
Marble Arch, completed in 1833, but moved here in 1851. Funny story, Queen Victoria actually got her chariot stuck in between the gate, and in that, she said, move it, I don't want it in front of Buckingham Palace. So here it is in Hyde Park, where it sits now. Pigeon.
I'm saving it for the greenbirds. I'm saving it for the greenbirds. You selfish mofo.
Oh, he eating everything.
Give me the greenbird. I want greenbird. No. Give me the greenbird. Record it. You have it on the phone? Keith, did you get my face?
Thank you. It is wet. It is really wet out. It is fun. You know, it adds to the adventure, all right? You know what's gonna happen in London.
He said fudge.
You already have a chance.
I got a joke.
We're making the best of it. What day you come?
Boot up, it's boot up.
Yeah, it is boot up. He's right. So this is not a post.
No.
At all. Hey, but I think
B-O-O.
what district are we in? B-O-O-P. So we're currently in the Mayfield district, which is supposedly one of the richest districts in
Mayfair
district.
It's slums to Americans. It's old, dude.
I'm a triple OG, dog.
Original gangsta, home.
Triple OG.
Gay score. Ow. You fake.
Like, we're out here, Rapture took us to the wrong H&M. It was a home goods store and we're trying to buy clothes. How's that gonna work?
Lots of umbrellas out.
This Prius ain't going anywhere, right?
It's a real cold day today.
Yeah,
It's a real cold day today. Nice and wet.
Nice guy. Or lady.
How's London besides the weather?
The people driving are a little rude, but other than that, like, it's really beautiful. I wish it wasn't raining, but like, we've sucked it up and it's still been a good time.
Okay, so what we're doing here, we're in Piccadilly Circus. Come on over. All right, so we're walking in there, and this is the Times Square. This is the Times Square of London, all right? This is where all the plays, the shows, everything comes down here. This is like the live center. We have the Hard Rock over here. All right, we have the Underground. Beautiful area. Let's see what we can get
right
into.
Here.
You add shit to it. That's sampling. The
Gotta go! 1, 2, 3. Let's go, boys!
It is wet all day. Rain all day. You know, at this point it doesn't even matter. I'm so wet that the umbrella is not even helping. You know what I mean? My socks are soaked. But anyways, had a great night.